Hey, I'm Holly, and today I'm going to show you super quick how to turn an empty jam jar into the cutest table display you've ever seen. You will need an empty jam jar of your choice and make sure it's clean and dry. You will also need Mod Podge and a paintbrush. Take the lid off of your jam jar so it's easier to work with. Use the paintbrush to dip in the Mod Podge and begin painting the label of the jam jar. You want to make sure you get the edges of the label, front and back. You want to cover the label one time very well with the Mod Podge. Try to wipe away any large clumps. We want it nice and clean to be able to dry. We're going to do this 2 times. Make nice, clean strokes across the label so it dries well, making sure to get those edges because what we're wanting is to make this waterproof so we can use it over and over again and the label will stay nice and pretty. Do this for the front and back label and let it dry. I let the label dry overnight before I apply the second coat. On the second coat, do the same as the first, nice clean strokes, especially across the pretty part of the label that you want to be visible for your floral arrangement. Make sure that the strokes are nice and clean and there are no clumps. Again, taking care on the edges that you get that edge sealed nice and well. After you've applied the second coat of your Mod Podge, I would let it dry again overnight. Now you could embellish the jar. I do with jute twine, there you have a very cute vase for your country table. You can put, there's endless uses for these super cute jam jars to reuse again and again. I collect different varieties of jam so that I have strawberry, cherry, peach, apricot, different colors. If I'm having a group activity and we have different tables, I love to use these for the centerpiece. So there's endless possibilities for reusing these super cute jars, and I hope you have a great time doing it yourself.